Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best earwax suction is probably one of the most innovative and effective solutions for managing ear hygiene, offering a safe and convenient alternative to traditional methods like cotton swabs or ear candling, which can often be ineffective or even harmful. This device utilizes gentle suction to carefully remove excess earwax buildup, promoting better hearing and reducing the risk of discomfort or infections, making it an essential tool for maintaining optimal ear health in a modern and accessible way. Number 5. Frida Baby 3-in-1 Nose, Nail Plus Ear Picker. Meet the ultimate tool for keeping your little one clean. It's designed for safely managing their delicate needs. From the trusted creators of the original snot sucker, comes another essential baby care item. This versatile tool helps you gently clear away boogers, ear wax, and other tiny messes with ease. Its thoughtful design ensures safety and comfort when tending to your baby's nose, nails, and ears. Simplify your baby care routine with this all-in-one solution. It's a must-have for every parent. What we like? This is a fantastic all-in-one solution for new parents. If you're looking for a safe and gentle way to manage your baby's hygiene needs, from snot to ear wax, this is it. It simplifies your routine and keeps your little one comfortable. What people say? The device is easy to use and effective at removing earwax. It comes with multiple tips for different ear canal sizes. The suction power is adjustable, allowing for a comfortable experience. Number 4. BEBIRD R1 Earwax Removal Tool. Introducing the BEBIRD R1, your personal ear care companion. Its advanced camera provides a crystal clear view, letting you see every detail within your ear canal. Equipped with a high-precision 3 million pixel lens and 1080p HD resolution, this device offers a wide-angle view. The integrated 6 LED lights illuminate even the darkest corners for optimal visibility. Connect seamlessly to our intelligent BEBIRD app via Wi-Fi. You can easily view, capture photos, and record videos of your ear canal directly on your smartphone or tablet, supporting both iOS and Android devices. This tool is designed for thorough ear examination and cleaning. It comes with multiple replacement tips to effectively remove ear dirt, whether your ears are oily or dry. Beyond ear care, this versatile device can also be used to examine your nose, teeth, and throat. With specialized observation kits, it's a comprehensive tool for personal health checks. Enjoy the benefits of a patented design that ensures safety and effectiveness. This tool provides a reliable and advanced solution for your ear, nose, and throat examinations. What we like? For those who want to see exactly what's going on, this is your go-to. If you're someone who likes to have a clear, visual understanding of your ear health, or you need to examine other areas like your nose or throat, this tool offers precision and insight. What people say? The device is easy to use and effectively removes earwax. It comes with multiple nozzle tips for different needs. The suction power is adjustable, allowing for a comfortable experience. Number 3. EQUADOSE Hair Earwax Removal Kit. Introducing the EQUADOSE Hair Earwax Removal Kit. It's a complete system designed for safe and effective ear cleaning at home. This kit features a safe irrigation tool, ensuring a gentle approach to ear care. Remove earwax without discomfort or irritation. Achieve professional-level cleaning with this easy-to-use system. It's suitable for both adults and children, making ear care simple for the whole family. Everything you need for thorough earwax removal is included. Experience a new level of clean and comfort with this comprehensive kit. Say goodbye to bothersome earwax. This kit provides an effective solution for clearer hearing and better ear health. What we like? If you prefer a traditional yet effective method for ear cleaning, this kit is ideal. It's designed for safe, gentle irrigation, making it perfect for both adults and children who need a thorough clean without discomfort. It's a complete system for peace of mind. What people say? The suction power is adjustable, allowing for a gentle yet effective cleaning experience. It comes with multiple silicone tips of different sizes, ensuring a comfortable fit for various ear canal sizes. The device is rechargeable via USB, making it convenient for travel and use on the go. Number 2. ScopeAround Wi-Fi Otoscope Camera. Are you experiencing ear itching or irritation? This advanced video otoscope is designed to help you inspect your ear with incredible clarity. Its high-definition camera provides detailed views, making it easy to understand what's happening inside. Designed with a 70 degrees angle, it offers a wider view that better matches the natural ear structure. Combined with protective specula and bright LED lights, you can examine your ear safely and with complete confidence. Switch between full screen and split screen modes. The full screen mode shows you a live feed, while the split screen mode allows you to compare the current view with the previous image, making analysis straightforward. Enjoy a seamless experience with integrated Wi-Fi, simplifying the design and connection process. It also features overheat protection for maximum comfort during use. This digital otoscope is compatible with both Android and iOS devices. Easily capture images and videos to share with your doctor, or use it to check your ears, nose, skin, and even your pet's health. This item is eligible for flexible spending accounts and health savings accounts, making it a convenient healthcare tool. What we like. This device offers a modern approach to ear inspection. If you appreciate the ability to compare live views with previous images or need a discreet, wireless option for checking your ears, nose, or skin, this offers advanced features for detailed examination. What people say. The earwax remover has a built-in light that illuminates the ear canal, making it easier to see and remove wax. It comes with multiple silicone tips of different sizes, ensuring a comfortable fit for various ear canal sizes. The suction power is adjustable, allowing users to choose a gentle or stronger setting depending on their needs. Number 1. W102 Earwax Removal Irrigation Flushing System. Introducing our earwax removal system, designed for safe and effective cleaning. It gently washes away wax, dirt, and debris without harming your sensitive ear canal. Avoid costly doctor visits with this convenient ear cleaning kit. You can perform the cleaning at home, saving you time and money. Our thoughtful design includes disposable soft ear tips, ensuring a sanitary experience. Each tip can be replaced after one use, preventing infections. This earwax removal tool is perfect for the whole family. It effectively cleans excess earwax buildup for both adults and children. We stand by our product with a 12-month replacement warranty. If you encounter any issues, we are here to provide excellent service. What we like. This is a practical and economical choice for regular ear cleaning. If you're looking for a straightforward, manual irrigation system that's safe for all ages and avoids expensive doctor visits, this offers a hygienic and effective solution with its disposable tips. What people say. It is very easy to use and clean. The suction is gentle and effective, removing earwax without discomfort. The device is designed to be safe and prevent damage to the eardrum. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.